Question 15. Two solid cones are mathematically similar, and that word similar is going to be important in a minute. Cone A has a volume of 120 cubic centimeters. Cone B has a volume of 960 cubic centimeters. Work out the ratio of the surface area of cone A to the surface area of cone B. Now this question is testing a little bit of knowledge that you need to enter the exam with. If you have two similar shapes, that means the lengths are in proportion, and the areas are in proportion, and the volumes are in proportion. The lengths will be in the ratio A to B. The surface area of these shapes will be in the ratio A squared to B squared, and the volume will be in the ratio A cubed to B cubed. Now if you don't know this fact before you go into the exam, you're going to struggle to pick up marks on this question. We know we're interested in the ratio of the surface area of these two cones, and the ratio of the volumes, because that's the only information we've got, is 120 to 960. If I divide it by 10 and then divide it by 12, I simplify it down to a ratio of 1 to 8, and wherever possible you should always work with a simplified ratio. If I take the cubed root of these ratios, because these ratios are linked to the ratios that the length of the shape has, then the lengths are in the ratio 1 to 2. We've been asked for the ratio of the surface area, so I have to square these numbers to get up to the surface area. So the ratio of surface area is 1 squared to 2 squared, which is 1 to 4.